Hi everyone, I welcome you all to the initiative called Day to Day Schedule for UPSC CSE 2022. So, yes, we have successfully seen the schedule for the first 5 days, and now we will see the topics that should be followed for next 3 days. So, today I am posting the schedule for the next 3 days because daily posting the schedule is bit boring. So, I thought to make a small change, and here it is. So yes, now moving on, let's see the schedule for the day 6. In slot 1, we are going to revise classics NTRT of geography from chapter 5 to chapter 8. In second slot, we will study class 11th NCRT of polity, that is Indian Constitution at Work chapter 6, which is about judiciary. In the next slot, we will read the newspaper, and finally we will revise all the important points we have learnt. Now moving on, the schedule for day 7, it is going to be a bit interesting because we have successfully completed one NCRT book, which is appreciable thing. So if you think why I am telling it as appreciable thing, let me tell you, whenever we complete a task which we have been assigned, we have to reward or appreciate ourselves so that it will boost our confidence level and also we will get motivated. And one more important thing, I am going to speed up process little bit so that we will be very good at revising the chapters. And now let's see the first lot which we are going to read on day 7, that is we will read the class 7th NCRT of geography, that is our environment chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the next lot we will read class 11th NCRT of polity, that is Indian Constitution at Work chapter 7, which is about federalism. And after that, as usual, we will read a newspaper and revise all the important points we have learnt. So now the schedule for day 8 will be, in slot 1 we will read geography class 7th NCRT chapter 5, 6 and 7. Here 7th chapter is not that much important. If you want you can skip it, otherwise you can read it. Now in second slot we will read class 11th NCRT of polity, that is Indian Constitution at Work chapter 8, which is about local self government. And this is an important thing because if you see in class 11th polity, everything is given in a basic and very simple manner, and the chapters which are given in this book are really helpful when we are reading Lakshmikant. So when we start reading Lakshmikant, we will get a basic idea so that we will finish the concepts very easily. And after reading this chapter 8, we will read newspaper as usually and revise the important topics that we have learned today. So this is the schedule for day 6, 7 and 8. I hope you like this video. If so, hit the like button and give me encouragement. Share it with your friends and help my channel to grow by subscribing. So see you in next video. Until then, take care, and thanks for those who have already subscribed to my channel.